Okay, right now you can see that we have two rectangles. And the purpose of this video is to show you the difference between the two rectangles. Why would we want to know the difference between two rectangles? For instance, if we have a garage here, we'll label this a G, the garage, and this one C for car. We want to know how much area the car would take up inside of the bigger area, or matter of fact, how much area do we have left in the garage after we put the car inside. In order to do this, we have to find the area of both rectangles. So our rectangle formula, if you recall, when it comes to area, is area equals length times width. Alright? Now, from here, you can see the lengths of both the rectangles and the widths of both rectangles. So if we look at rectangle A, we'll label this A, or G, it's fine, and this one B, we'd have to work each one out individually. So let's go with rectangle A. Alright, let's go ahead and put our formula down. Area equals, if we look over here, what's our length? We assume that 12 is going to be our length, multiplied by 8 meters, which is our width. As you can see, our formula matches up. I'm sorry, it's 8 meters. Now, the simple math begins. 12 times 8. What do we have? Area equals 96. Okay? Now, pay close attention. This is where we mess up a lot. You also can see that we have meters here on both sides. See that? Because we're dealing with a two-dimensional object, when we multiply meters and meters together, we get meters squared. So whenever you see meters squared, automatically you should think of what? Area. Now we have area A, or rectangle A, that equals 96 meters squared. Okay? Let's give that a big circle so we can see what's going on. Now let's look at rectangle B. Alright? Again, let's write the formula underneath. It's area equals length times width. Okay? When we looked at this, we indicated that the length would be 8 meters. So it's 8. Area equals 8 times 6. So if we multiply that together, ladies and gentlemen, we have area equals 48. We also have meters on both of them, so it's meters squared. Two-dimensional product. That's what we get. So rectangle B will equal 48 meters squared. Let's go ahead and write that underneath angle A. Or area A, rectangle A, I apologize. Equals 48 meters squared. Now, what I asked was, what is the difference between the two rectangles when it comes to area? So when we think of difference, the term or the word difference, we know automatically that means subtract. Okay? So from there, we have to subtract 48 from 96. When we do the math here, we end up with 48 meters squared. So that is the difference between the two rectangles involving area. Thank you guys.